We came here to visit Pakistan's Brazil income support program and how it functions and how it develops the social protection sector to benefit to our country, Somalia. We have already a program that's called National Social Safety Net Program, which is the social protection safety net platform called Baxnaano in Somali language. And we have really benefited a lot from the BISP in institutional arrangements wise, from federal level to district to local level, how they implement, as well as how sustainable they are in financially, and also design-wise, and how they also target. We have visited also the field, and we have a lot of really appreciation, and we hope that we will implement this, learning this into our programs and projects in Somalia. Identification, we have seen that they have well-established ID system, NADRA, and National Socio-Economic Database, that we will also learn a lot, and that will inform our Unified Social Registry. And that's also socio-economic data of the whole country that we are already in the final stages of processing it, and also data collection from all the country. That will also inform our systems building, as well as the management information systems. And we really appreciate a lot of what have already achieved, and we can say that we have already reached a point that we can call it a sister organization, the Brazil Income Support Program, and that's really fantastic and very welcome. And we really appreciate the way we have been accommodated, the reception, very generous and welcome, as well as the very rich and in-depth knowledge that we have gained from the program. And thank you very much.